What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive at a 1968 Chevelle SS. This one here's got a 396 under the hood with a 4-speed. We're gonna be taking it down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos daily. We'll do our best to be honest and get this content out to you. Definitely check out the walk around video on this car. You're gonna want to see it. You can also check out maplemotors.com. You see all of our inventory, finance and shipping information. And every Monday we update with new cars. A new update is happening. We are getting ready to start closing on Saturdays. So keep that in mind, and that's gonna happen June 1st. All right, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Gonna check out the interior before we take off. Gotta look around the car. Dash is in great shape. Carpet looks pretty good. Seats in good shape. Back seat, same thing. Package tray, headliner looks great. Let's go ahead and try some stuff out. Do you think the horn works on this one? It's a little game we like to play on the channel. She's still cold right now, literally backed it up. And you can see the temperature's still all the way down. Oil pressure's up. Let's try some stuff out here. Horn? Horn does not work on this one. Wipers? They do work. Blower motor? Blowing on my legs right now. No AC on this one, I don't believe. Radio is not coming up. You can see the tach is working. I can show you the mileage, but look at that speedo. That don't work. All right, let's take off down the road. We'll get a little bit of fuel and see how she runs and drives. Okay, I'm getting ready to take off down the road. I noticed there's no seat belts up front here. That's something you'll have to add if you want them. Let's take off, see how she runs and drives. This is the first time I've driven this car. Clutch is letting out pretty good about halfway. Steering silky smooth. Oh, wait a second, there's a lot of traffic out here today. We'll try to avoid as much as we can. All right, coming out of the lot. Very low gear. Nose down. Gas pedal's a little bit stiff too. This has got a very low gear in it. You're probably only going to be running 60 on the interstate tops. See, it's already pulling down on the car right now. We're only going about 45. So third gear, 2,500 RPM, about 40 mile an hour. Pull in here and get some gas at the gas station, and we'll check that gas gauge. Right now it's on E, so you can literally take off in second in this one, I believe. All right, let's pull up to the pump, get some fuel. sounds great. Up here at the gas station, I put about $22 worth of fuel in there, I believe. Usually do about 20 of premium gas. To check the gas gauge out, you put it in right here behind the tag. And let's hit the road. We'll see if that gauge works real quick. Check it out. And something new I just started. A little behind the scenes. TikTok. Maple Motors Muscle Cars is what it's under. Go check it out. See if you like it. Let's try this out here. So the gas gauge is on E, as you can see. And it's creeping its way up. Gas gauge does work. Let's take off. So far so good. I've had it running a while. Everything's staying within range here. Let's head on back to the lot. Okay, getting ready to roll up out of here. A little lungy. There we go. We are in second right now. Too bad. Suspension on this one's a little bit stiff, not too bad. Like 6 out of 10 I would give it. That's rating the suspension, guys, not the whole car. I've noticed some of y'all get confused on that part. It's all right. to the red light here. Literally right around the corner from the car lot. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit subscribe. I post videos pretty much daily on these old classic cars. And we made it back to the lot. I'm gonna do a walk around video of this one, checking everything out. Hit subscribe and check out the new TikTok. Maple Motors Muscle Cars is what it's under. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Later, guys.